Hi lovelies, today I want to give you 3 powerful ways a DeepSeek can be a game-changing money giver when used strategically. You people, are you seeing on the screen? There's this Odogu. You people, I know there are some individuals who want guys, who want men, who give them money, unlike some of us who want to make passive income. Now I brought for you this DeepSeek. DeepSeek is an AI that gives you money as long as you have used it strategically. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial consultant, but I'm bringing for you things that are working for me, are working for our friends around. These are dogs you're just admiring. They're driving cars around here, around town. They're in very powerful apartments. Most of them, this is what they use. So let's station ourselves and see exactly how these 3 powerful ways can be used with DeepSeek AI, and you earn or you get some good amount of money. Let's see the first one. The first one is turbocharge your side hustle. DeepSeek helps you to brainstorm, it helps you to plan and even execute money-making ideas in very short minutes. Whether it's writing freelancing gigs, YouTube scripts, or even e-commerce products, you can get ideas. It can generate for you ideas for e-commerce products. Can I give you an example? Let's see. Do you know you can generate 10 low competitive YouTube niches for passive income? Previously, or in most of our recent videos, we've been telling you about build your YouTube channel and focus on a very high searchable and even low competitive niches, and most of you don't know how to look for them. So if you're there and you want to make money with YouTube, like if you see our previous video whereby we said we earned $125 or $121 in 7 days. What brought it? It's because we are in a niche that is so superb and exceptional. Not that it's us who can do it, but everyone can do it. So today, I want you to go and go to your browser, open a DeepSeek account. How do you open a DeepSeek account? You just go to your Chrome or to your Google, put DeepSeek. When it comes, you fill your profile and have an account. This is one of the best AI that you can use to get money, provided you're focused and you're using it strategically. So for you to get a very good niche, you can even try to put it in to ask DeepSeek to get for you the 10 best low competitive YouTube niches for passive income. And by the way, you will find there is health, you'll get health, you'll get education, you'll get making money online, you'll get many more others. Then the second way, out of the 3 powerful ways DeepSeek can be a game-changing money giver, the second is slash money wasting mistakes. How does it give you a slash money wasting mistakes? You can use it to analyze budgets, to negotiate deals, even optimize pricing with all-powered insights. Can I give you an example? You can go you draft a persuasive $5,000 client proposal for my freelance business. This one, the moment you do it, you will come and thank me later. The third one is automate income streams. I told you this video is going to be as short as below 5 minutes. So you can let DeepSeek write ebooks for you, get for you SEO's content. This is what does for me. I don't do it. I just tell DeepSeek, please give me this as SEOs. Even you can do social media posts that earn while you sleep. Like as I was recording this video, I was going to sleep, but the next day I'm supposed to be checking how much I got from a post. Is it on Facebook? Is it on a blog? Is it on YouTube? Yes. What you do, you can, for example, you can go and create a 7-day email course and sell it. And that one will bring for you passive income. Maybe to add on this, and I give you a pro tip, or we can call it a bonus. For now, make it, you can make this DeepSeek your best friend. I told you, as you see on the screen, this DeepSeek is a loving husband, is a loving sister, is a loving a loving brother, someone who loves you so much that gives you money. So if you want to try, please try some of these three. You can try one, you can try two, or you can try all of them. So let's see each other in another video. But please, are you tired of being poor? Are you tired of being in luck? Just come and see Mr. DeepSeek. Thank you. Bye-bye.